You're not fat, but you're definitely not lean either. No abs, no muscle, no shape, just soft in all the wrong places. You look fine in clothes, shirt comes off, everything deflates. You tried eating more, got fatter, you tried eating less, got smaller, and somehow kept every gram of fat while losing the little muscle you had. That's not a willpower problem. That's a skinny fat problem, and it needs a completely different solution than what everyone online is telling you. Let me fix that. This is the full body home workout built specifically for skinny fat guys. And if you stick till the end, you'll have a complete system you can start today. Before we get into the workout, you need to understand one thing. The reason most skinny fat guys fail is not because they are lazy. It is because they follow programs built for people who are either pure beginners with no muscle at all or experienced lifters trying to add size. You are neither. You are somewhere in between, and that middle ground needs its own approach. Too much cardio, and you stay soft. Too much volume, and you cannot recover. Too little structure, and nothing changes. This program fixes all three problems at once. Here's how it works. 6 days a week. Push, pull, legs, repeated twice. Each day has a specific job. Push day trains your chest, shoulders, and triceps. Pull day trains your back and biceps. Leg day trains your lower body. You run through that sequence twice per week with one full rest day. This structure works for skinny fat guys specifically because it hits every muscle group with enough frequency to trigger growth. And every single exercise in this program can be done at home. Let us build this day by day. Day 1. Push. Your push day targets chest, shoulders, and triceps. 3 exercises. Simple, effective, and brutal if you do them correctly. Exercise 1. Push-ups with a loaded backpack. Fill your backpack with books, water bottles, or anything heavy. Strap it on your back. Get into a push-up position, hands slightly wider than shoulder width. Lower your chest all the way to the floor in 3 seconds. Pause for 1 full second at the bottom. Push back up explosively. That pause at the bottom is non-negotiable. It kills momentum and forces your chest to do all the work from a dead stop. 3 sets of 6 to 10 reps. If you can do more than 10 reps, add more weight to the bag. Exercise 2, pike push-ups. This is your shoulder movement. Get into a downward dog position, hips high, body forming a triangle with the floor. Bend your elbows and lower the top of your head toward the ground, then press back up. 3 sets of 8 to 12 reps. Rest 2 minutes between every set on push day. Do not rush it. Day 2, pull. Pull day targets your back and biceps. This is the day most skinny fat guys skip or half effort because they cannot see their back in the mirror. Do not make that mistake. Your back is what makes you look powerful from every angle. Exercise 1, pull-ups. Hang from your bar with a grip slightly wider than shoulder width, palms facing away from you. Pull your chest toward the bar, 3 sets of 4 to 8 reps taken to failure. Exercise 2, resistance band rows. Anchor your resistance band around something solid, anything that does not move. Grab both ends and row both hands toward your lower ribs. Hold that squeeze for 1 second before releasing. This is what builds thickness in your back. 3 sets of 12 to 15 reps. Exercise 3, backpack bicep curls. Hold your loaded backpack by the top handle with one hand, palm facing upward, and curl the bag up in 2 seconds. Lower it fighting gravity the entire way down. 3 sets of 10 to 12 reps each arm. Rest 90 seconds to 2 minutes between sets on pull day. Day 3, legs. Your legs are the largest muscle group in your body. Training them releases more growth hormone and burns more calories than any other session. Skipping leg day is skipping your best fat loss and muscle building tool. Exercise 1, Bulgarian split squats with backpack. Find a chair or couch. Stand about 2 feet in front of it. Place 1 foot behind you on the surface and lower your back knee toward the floor. Pause at the bottom. Drive back up through your front heel. This exercise is one of the hardest lower body movements you can do at home, and it will humble you fast. 3 sets of 8 to 10 reps each leg. Wear your loaded backpack for resistance. Exercise 2, resistance band Romanian deadlifts. Stand on the middle of your resistance band with both feet hip width apart and lower the band down your legs until you feel a deep stretch in your hamstrings. Drive your hips forward to return to standing. This is not a squat. 3 sets of 12 to 15 reps. Exercise 3. Wall sit with resistance band. Place the resistance band just above your knees. Slide your back down a wall until your thighs are parallel to the floor. Push your knees outward against the band throughout the entire hold. This activates your glutes in a way that standard wall sits simply do not. Hold for 30 to 45 seconds. 3 rounds. Rest 2 minutes between sets on leg day. Day 4, 5, and 6. Repeat the exact same sequence. Push, pull, legs, same exercises, same structure. But here is where the magic happens. Progressive overload. Every single session you need something to improve. 1 more rep, a slightly heavier bag, a longer hold. Write down your numbers after every session. If nothing changes week to week, nothing changes in the mirror. Day 7, rest day. Your rest day is not a do-nothing day. It is an active recovery day, and it is part of the program. Here is what you do. Walk, aim for 8 to 10,000 steps. This keeps your metabolism active, speeds up recovery. You can also do 5 to 10 minutes of light stretching, targeting whatever feels tightest. What you do not do on rest day is add extra training because you feel guilty. The rest is the work. Your muscles do not grow in the gym, they grow when you recover. Now, let's talk about nutrition, because this program will do nothing if your diet is working against it. You are not bulking. You are not crash dieting. You are eating at maintenance or a very slight deficit, around 15% below your maintenance calories. Protein stays at 1.6 to 2 grams per pound of body weight every single day, without exception. Without it, you are just exercising and staying soft. Fill the rest of your calories with carbs and fats from real food. And do not rely on the scale alone. Your weight can stay exactly the same while your body is completely changing. Here is your complete weekly schedule. Day 1, push. Day 2, pull. Day 3, legs. Day 4, push. Day 5, pull. Day 6, legs. Day 7, active recovery. Walk and stretch. That is your system.